ExactFlat 2026 is upgraded to help you complete projects 5 to 10 times faster. How? The new Edge Twin feature automatically pairs and synchronizes neighboring edges. Check this out. Apply a seam allowance to one edge. The twin edge updates instantly. Same values and no manual pairing. And notches work the same way. Apply a notch to one edge and the twin edge updates instantly in perfect alignment. It even works on notch groups. Let's apply a group of 3. Apply the notch group to one edge and that twin edge updates instantly. Always 100% in sync. ExactFlat Edge Twins eliminate pattern-making bottlenecks so you can finish more projects daily, some 5 to 10 times faster. Learn more at ExactFlat.com and we'll show you how.